Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankita and you're watching me in Trends and Style. In my today's video, I would be sharing my hot oil therapy. That is a preconditioning routine of my hair that I do once in a week before shampoo, and I really get very good results. My hair instantly becomes very frizz free, very much silky and soft and straight and smooth. After this therapy, you can do this at home without any salon cost and with your normal hair oil that you have at your home. For this I use extra virgin olive oil, and this is from a company Desano, and it was on a buy one get one offer. Basically extra virgin olive oils are very good for your hair. In fact, any oil you can use, olive oil or coconut oil or almond oil, but try to go for the extra virgin version of that oil, because extra virgin means it is the purest form of the oil. It is not containing any chemicals or any artificial fragrance or color. This Desano one, it retails for 675 rupees for 500 ml. Although I got this on a buy one get one offer, it will be really good for the health of your hair. So I prefer olive oil because I have tried many other oils, but I found olive oil to be most conditioning on my hair. I will take this extra virgin olive oil, one bowl, and a hair spa cap. So now let's get started. You can see how frizzy my hair is right now. There are tangles and it is in a very bad shape. So yeah, I will start. I will take the olive oil into this bowl. I know that olive oil is very heavy, it is sticky also, but please guys, this is for your deep conditioning of the hair, so please don't use 2-3 drops of hair oil. So I know hair oil is a big allergy for many people to apply it, as it sticks, as it messes the dresses and the pillow cover and everything. But trust me, if you use this cap, everything will be secured in its own place and you will feel so free. I will just show you how I massage this oil. Just take the oil, warm it up in your palm and apply. Make sure you apply the oil really generously throughout the hair, starting from the scalp and going all the down till the tip of the hair, throughout the length. Believe me, this gives you better result than any salon spa. You have to really go through the hair strands. Just don't put all the olive oil into a single portion, otherwise it will absorb it all. So I wanted to buy a hot hair cap. As longer as the oil remains hot, it helps to penetrate the oil into the hair strands as well as into the scalp. And so warm oil is always better to use. All the hair is oiled really well and I have massaged for 2-3 minutes. And now I will show you the hot cap that I was talking about. Basically this is a hot spa cap which has a heating wire inside, and it is totally safe. You can see no wire or nothing comes in direct contact with your head, so you can safely use this, no problem. And this is a cord which is having a switch, so plug in the switchboard, and then like here you have to on or off. So a red light will be on so that you understand that it is heating now. I will take all of my hair like this and put the cap like this. There is adjustable strings that will help to secure the entire hair volume inside the cap so that no hair comes out by chance. And now I will tie it up. All my hair is inside, and we'll switch on and we'll show you. So I will put this on. You can see the red light that is blinking here. I bought it from Amazon at 350 rupees. I will give the link inside the description box, so don't forget to check in case you want to buy. So this is really a very good option. Your oiled hair is totally secured. No oil will strip on your face or on your shoulder, and the oily hair is not going to stain everywhere, your clothes and your pillow cover. No, it is a totally hassle-free system of oiling your hair and preconditioning. Even for any hair spa cream or hair conditioning cream or hair mask, I use this cap, and this is so good. I love it. I will keep this for 45 minutes, and after that we'll be back after shampoo and we'll show you the result. So here is after wash look. You can see it is absolutely frizz free and very much silky. Like, I'm loving my hair. You can see my hair has transformed a lot just because of this oil treatment, and this is the result that I get every time when I do this hot oil treatment to my hair. I shampooed with a very normal L'Oreal Paris color protectant red shampoo bottle, that one, and no professional shampoo, no high-end shampoo, and the main thing that no conditioner. I believe this is the best way to keep my hair naturally soft and frizz free, and also with the nourishment of olive oil and without any chemicals inducing in my hair. So this is all about my today's video, guys. If you like my video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not been subscribed yet. So see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.